power or right to act, think, and speak as one pleases without hindrance or restraint. In other words, the feeling of true peace, the feeling of no boundaries, the feeling of being truly unrestricted. That same feeling can only be found in Jesus. They say freedom isn't free, and that case will be right.
Purple bag. D&G for $25. I don't know. Not even for half off. This is cute. Oh my gosh. That's only $4.
That's your tank right there.
Okay.
I think these are bottle rocks. Let's find out.
So that's all you do? You just put it in the bottle and then set it off? It's not going to catch on fire, is it? Are we too close? I'm scared. Uh-oh. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, careful. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Oh, now it's my turn.
Oh, it's not gonna go off? Oh, so we can do this on the patio. Okay. They're doing theirs on the patio. They're doing theirs on the patio. You can't see that. Look how pretty. How about this?
The tank? You want to here?
Is that? Oh, I don't know.
Light up the tank.
I'm scared.
Here, light up the tank.
Is it too close to all this stuff?
No.
Okay. I like this on fire, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's it? Oh. Okay, maybe we should have moved that stuff.
It'll be fine. I knew it was
Hey! That's my first firework ever. Are you proud of me? Are you proud of me?
very proud of you.
These are my first fireworks. Is the same one?
It wouldn't go off right.
Okay. Look how pretty. How long do sparklers usually last?
Depends. Probably about a minute.
Oh, that's not too long. So we have some food on the grill. And by we, I mean X. Because I don't know anything about barbecuing or grilling. I've never done it a day in my life. Are you guys supposed to be out here? Go, go, go. Get. You want me to sit? Do you want me to sit?
If you want to. I cleaned the chairs earlier.
You cleaned it? Remember once there was an accident on one of these chairs. Not like an accident, but like an incident. That included you. Is the fireworks still doing its thing? I was looking for them. I'm all the way down here.
It is, but off in the way distance.
Oh. So it doesn't count then, is what you're saying. So this is what's being made. We got shish kebabs. We just got shrimp. And watermelons and steak. It looks really good. Jonanista, where's Gista? I said, where's Gista? I'm doing one more before I go back and finish watching The Conjuring. I don't understand.
Oh, Rima, I thought we were going to be like BFFs in the house. That's what we said from the beginning. And then you turned on me. Why'd you turn fake on me, Rima? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch. I don't understand. I don't understand, bitch.
Finished cooking, so we're about to eat. Whoa, this is a lot of food.
It's very hot. Very, very hot.
Alright, got it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. This one's ready to eat. Ow! Woo, you guys, look at this. We have our steak here. We have our watermelon. We have our corn, our broccoli, and our shrimp. This is a lot of food, sirs. I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna watch my movie. I'm watching The Conjuring. Xavier does not want to watch it with me because he doesn't like watching movies with me anymore.
Let's go, chop chop, put it on.
No, don't try and pretend you want to watch
Chop,
it now.
put it on right now, let's go, let's go.
Okay, whatever.
I'm hungry.
What is this?
It's the reason you're here.
I've been so busy these past few days that I have not been keeping up on my weather forecasting. My apologies, but I'm starting it as the tropical storm is rolling in. Now, it's not